Hello guys. So again we are on the series of integration in which we are taking right now integration fundamentals. So initially we are taking classes on formula based and very simple questions. We will go for complex questions, complicated questions. So right now we are taking this question which is very simple and the clue of this question is this: uh, the degree of numerator is higher than degree of denominator. So like these questions, so this type questions, first we will divide this numerator and try to reduce the power on numerator. The degree of denominator should be greater than the numerator. So we divide this numerator by denominator like this. It's a long division method. So x plus 2, and this is the x cube plus 4x square minus 3x minus 2. So first we multiply with x square, we get x cube plus 2x square. On subtracting, this will be cancelled out and we get 2x square. We put it down minus 3x, and again we multiply with 2x, we get 2x square plus 4x. This will be cancelled out on changing the sign, and this is minus 7x, this is minus 2. So we multiply with minus 7, we get minus 7x minus 14. On subtracting, this will be cancelled out and remainder is 12. So we can express this as a, this is x square plus 2x minus 7 plus our remainder over this x plus 2. So this expression right now is converted into this. Right now we can see the degree of numerator is lesser than degree of denominator. Now we can integrate this expression. So this is x square, and according to power formula or x to the power n integration, it will be x square dx plus 2x dx minus 7 dx, and 12 is common, and 1 over x plus 2. So the integration of x square plus 1 formula, so it will be x cube by 3. This is x to the power 1, so we get x square by 2, and there is x to the power 0, so we get x, and in case of this we will collect 1 over t. Integration is log t, so it is log of x plus 2. So this is the answer of this question. Right now the next question, it is dx over under root of x plus 1 plus under root x plus 2. So right now first, if it is positive sign, we will multiply divide with negative sign. So in denominator right now, this is a plus b and this is a minus b, we get a square minus b square. It means it is x plus 2 minus x plus 1. So on opening the bracket, we get minus x and minus 1. So it is plus x, this is minus x, cancelled out, and 2 minus 1 is 1. So denominator is 1. It is finished. Right now we have numerator only. So it is x plus 2 to the power half minus x plus 1 raised to the power half. It is just like root x. We assume this as a t. So the integration of x to the power half dx is 2 by 3 x 3 by 2. So in the same way we get 2 by 3 x plus 2 power 3 by 2 using x to the power n formula, minus 2 by 3 x plus 1 3 by 2 plus c. So this is the basic questions. Right now we are taking the trigonometric functions for integrations, and we will use a simple trigonometric formula, and we will simplify this and integrate. So first question, find the integration of 1 over 1 minus cos 2x, and by trigo formula we have 1 minus cos 2x equals to 2 sin square x. So we put it, we substitute 1 minus cos 2x as 2 sin square x, and it becomes cosec square x, and the integration of cosec square x is minus cot x. So we get minus cot x plus c. This is the answer. Now the next part is tan inverse of sin 2x over 1 plus cos 2x. So we will use, for simplification, the formula of sin 2x and 1 plus cos 2x. So sin 2x is 2 sin x cos x, and the formula of 1 plus cos 2x is 2 cos square x. We put these two formulae. In place of sin 2x we will place 2 sin x cos x, and 1 plus cos 2x we place 2 cos square x. So 2 is cancelled out, and square with cos x we get sin x over cos x, that becomes finally tan x, tan inverse of tan x. So according to inverse trigo, if we have this tan inverse of tan theta, we get theta. It means right now the resultant will be x. X dx means x to the power 1, so we get x square by 2. This is the final answer. Now the next part is cos inverse of sin x. So cos inverse will be removed or disappeared using or by converting sin x in terms of cos x. So in terms of cos, that will be cos pi by 2 minus x is sin x. So we can place this, and this will be cancelled out. So we get the pi by 2 minus x. So the integration of this is a constant part, this comes out, and we have dx only, and there is x dx. So integration of dx is x, and the integration of x to the power 1 is x square by 2. So this is the answer. And fourth part is cos inverse of 1 minus tan square x over 1 plus tan square x. And according to trigo formula, cos 2x in terms of tan is 1 minus tan square x over 1 plus tan square x. So when we put 1 minus tan square x as cos 2x, so it is cos inverse cos 2x, and the cos inverse and simple trigonometric function will be neutralized, and we get 2x only, and 2 comes out. So the integration of x is x square by 2. So cancel these two, we get x square plus c. This is our answer. Now we are taking some more questions on trigo functions, like integration of under root of 1 plus cos 2x, and we know very well 1 plus cos 2x by trigo is 2 cos square x. We put it 2 cos square x in place of 1 plus cos 2x, so root 2 comes out as a constant, and cos square x becomes cos x. So the integration of cos x is sin x. It means we get root 2 sin x. This is the answer. Now next, this is the under root of 1 plus sin 2x. A little bit difference. This is cos 2x, this is sin 2x. So we know this. One is sin square x plus cos square x, and the formula of sin 2x is 2 sin x cos x. So we put it and this is a square plus b square plus 2ab, that becomes a plus b whole square. So it will be neutralize under root and this becomes cos x plus sin x. So the integration of cos x is sin x and integration of sin x is minus cos x. So this becomes sin x and this becomes minus cos x. So this is the answer. Now the next question, that is integrate 1 plus 2 sin x over cos square x. So we separate these and we get 1 over cos square x plus twice of sin over cos and 1 over cos. So this becomes x square x and this becomes sec x and tan x. So these are the portions, that is x square x plus 2 sec x tan x. Now we separate this and separately integrate this. The integration of x square x is tan x and the integration of sec x tan x is sec x. So this becomes tan x and this becomes sec x. So this is the answer. Now the next part is integration of 1 over 1 minus cos x. Now rationalize this with 1 plus cos x, multiply and divide, and write down this is 1 plus cos x and there is a minus b and a plus b, we get a square minus b square. It means this is 1 minus cos square x. So 1 minus cos square x is sin square x. So we place sin square x 1 plus cos x over sin square x. Now we distribute, or you can say separate, these two terms with sin square x. So 1 over sin square x plus cos x over sin square x. This becomes cosec square x and this becomes cos over sin and 1 over sin, that is cosec x and cot x. We integrate these separately. So the integration of cosec square x is minus cot x and the integration of cosec x and cot x is minus cosec x. So this is the answer. Now we are taking a new question, 1 plus sin x over 1 minus sin x. Now on rationalization, when we will rationalize this the denominator, so we get 1 plus sin x in numerator and multiply divide by 1 plus sin x. So this becomes a minus b and a plus b. So this is a square minus b square, you get 1 minus sin square x, and there is the same thing, 1 plus sin and 1 plus sin, so it becomes 1 plus sin x whole square. So we will apply a plus b whole square formula, that is 1 a square plus b square plus 2ab, and there is 1 minus sin square, that becomes cos square x. So we separate this, 1 over cos square, sin square over cos square and 2 sin x over cos square. So this is 1 over cos square becomes x square x and this is sin square over cos square is tan square x, and we separate these two cos, so it is 1 over cos and sin over cos, that becomes sec x and tan x in multiply. So it integration of sec square x is tan x, and tan square x को we can write sec square x minus 1, and the integration of sec x tan x is sec x. So right now this is the integration of sec square x is tan x, and the integration of 1 is x. Right now this becomes tan x plus tan x is 2 tan x, and this is 2 sec x, and this is minus x. So this is our answer. Now we have another question, sec x over sec x plus tan x. Right now we rationalize this denominator. If it is positive sign, then we will multiply, divide with negatively sign. So it is sec x into sec x minus tan x in numerator, and this is the a square minus b square sec square x minus tan square x, and we know its value is 1. So it is so denominator becomes 1, so it will be disappear. Right now we have sec square x, and on multiply with this we get sec x tan x, and the integration of sec square x is tan x, and the integration of sec x tan x dx is sec x. So this is the answer.